Everyone's talking about AI side hustles, but how many people are actually making real money from it? I tried it myself, created digital products using AI tools, and made over $400 in just a few weeks. And in this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process
from idea to creation to sales day, so you can do the same. Grab a pen, because this one's packed with gold.
Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, I specially welcome you to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also specially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Let's go. Step 1. Pick a product that sells. First, don't start by designing anything. Start by finding what's already selling. Go to Etsy.com, search digital planner, printables, ebook templates, Notion templates. Filter by top sellers and look for products with lots of reviews. Now, note the ones that are simple, repeatable, and don't require complex design done. That's your gold mine. In my case, I picked AI Productivity Planner because people love self-improvement, and AI is trending. Key tip, you are not guessing, you are copying a proven demand. Step 2, use AI to create it. This is where AI does the heavy lifting. For example, use ChatGPT to generate the content or structure for your product. Prompt, create a 10-page productivity planner focused on AI tools for creators. Use Canva or Notion to design it visually. You can even use AI templates in Canva. Just edit the text, add your branding, done. I didn't spend hours designing.
I used ChatGPT, Canva, my creativity, finished product in one day. Step 3, package it professionally.
Once your digital file is ready, PDF, Notion link, etc., you need to make it look premium. Create 3 to 5 mockups. Add your product name and tagline like, boost your productivity with AI. Save them in bright, eye-catching colors.
Scroll-stopping colors, pinks, greens, or yellows pop best on Etsy. Now it looks like something people would happily pay $10 to $20 for.
Step 4, upload and sell on platforms. Here's where the money starts coming in. Go to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. All allow you to sell digital downloads with zero shipping hassle. I personally used Gumroad because it is beginner-friendly. Free to start, automatic delivery. Just upload your file, add title, short description, price, around $10 to $25, and upload your mock-up images. Done. Your store is live. Step 5. Drive traffic with AI and social media. This is where most people fail. And no traffic means no sales. I promoted mine using short content and AI tools. Used ChatGPT to write 10 short promo captions, then made mini TikToks and YouTube shorts showing before and after using my planner. Posted daily with trending sounds and pinned the product link in bio. Within 2 weeks, I got over 800 views, 30 link clicks, and my first $40 sale.
Step 6, automate and scale. Now that your first product is selling, the goal is automation. I used Canva and
ChatGPT to batch create 3 more templates and autoresponders on Gumroad to thank buyers and upsell my next product. I repurposed videos across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. Before I knew it, I had multiple digital products earning $10 to $30 a day, totaling around 400 plus. So there you have it, my full 5-step roadmap to making money selling AI digital products. If you take anything away from this video, remember,
you don't need to code, you don't need fancy gear, you just need an idea, AI tools, and consistency. If you want me to do a full breakdown on the exact AI tools and prompts I use to create my top-selling products, drop a comment saying AI hustle below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next video will go even deeper.
Remember, the best time to get started is now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!